You know that these verses in the Bible, Romans 12, verse 2, I love that place so much. And what that place is telling us is what we go through every day. What's the way our mind travel. Our mind travels so much in different way. And that's why that verse 2 was telling us that he said that do not conform with the pattern of this world, but to renew your mind. So that we have to renew our mind. Because this mind, we have so many things going inside this mind. We have so many different things going. That's why God was telling Joshua in Joshua 1 verse 8. He said, Joshua, this book of law, cherish it. Meditate on it daily. And when we meditate on the word of God, it helps us to renew our mind. So that our mind will not be traveling in and out. Because this mind is deep. And my prayer for you today that God should give you grace to renew your mind and meditate in his word daily so that you'll be doer and be rooted in the word of God.